Welcome to GIS and Engineering Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to import location data into ArcMap. To get started, open up your ArcMap project and click on the Add Data button in the top menu. This will bring up the Add Data window. Next, you want to click on the Add XY Data tab to import coordinate data. A new window will pop up where you can browse your computer and select the file containing the location coordinates you wish to bring into ArcMap. Be sure to specify which columns in the dataset represent X, Y, and optionally Z coordinates. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click OK to import this XY data. ArcMap will automatically convert these coordinates into map features. Finally, feel free to add in a base map or other spatial layers for your area of interest to provide some geographic context around the imported points. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly incorporate coordinate location data into your ArcMap projects. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.